So hi everyone, here I am about to take down the perm rods that I had in overnight. I am super excited to see how these turn out. Just going to start off by showing you the products that I will be using, which will be some hair polisher as well as some Gro oil. With these two, I actually put a little bit of each in my hand and I go on ahead and rub them together. And this is just to kind of ensure that once you're taking those perm rods out of your hair, you're not causing any unnecessary frizz to your curl. Be sure as you're taking the perm rods down that you're going into the direction of the curl to make sure you have a sleek finish. Now that I've officially taken them down, as you can see, there's a lot of bounce, there's a lot of shine added to the finished product. So now I'm going to be in the process of actually unraveling each curl. Again, making sure that each curl is being taken down in the direction that it goes. And this is just to ensure that you do not mess up your curl pattern. So here is the finished result. As you can see, there's a lot of movement, there's a lot of body, the curls definitely came out nice, and there's a lot of shine, which I do love, and I'm so excited on how this turned out. Now the very last step is totally up to you, but I do use a pick to kind of pick out my hair just to give it a little bit more volume. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, see you later.